see, Maka was just talking about Amayama celebs are via like Dubai in fact. And some of the people they are influencers. Yabo.
Yeah.
So like Basejuice in fact, like big names like Babline. So abantu bakhona bathi bazakala ezama recruitment, yabo. And then she was like Jazzy Q knows the people who go out, yabo. So I don't know ukuthi like into day is it igrand yini ukuthi uvaye like overseas ne uyedliwa ubusubuya suzo khomela abantu ukuthi like I've got mula and stuff until
mntana wanti he worked for it.
Isebenzela, yeah, the gent isebenzele guys.
Right, okay,
because I think do you know ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukudunusa and you're a man and udunusele
so yeah, but
that's money. It's money. I highly support you to do that if you get the opportunity.
So in fact, when a ghost boy will do it?
No, I wouldn't.
For 100 meters, a baby phambi kwakho la udunusa very fast.
Okay, in that situation, you guys are broke, ne? Like ufuna ukuthi indlu yakini nibe grand. So like how would you do?
You know there are many ways to go in background. Nyakwazi kuba mbi highest. Ngomane ngiyajini.
That's hard. Le ukuthi uhambe just transport abakunikezanga imali wena you have to high manje mawuyodubula le imoto emali ungakhohlwa ukuthi kunamahaba i-backup nani
mara kunokuthi kambe nyovula kayi
Bosi yokhilela iplane first class mngani uphuza ishampoo lapha hayibo
mamela ka the thing is like ne you can't just dunusela umuntu ohlala eJozi because yazi umuntu omnyama like umuntu omnyama uthunjani
obviously want to
vaya entweni zakho but when they go to Dubai I don't think ukuthi they do most of the dark shit
njengoba manje uthi Jezik, they say he's the one who allegedly knows
what's going on.
Does that mean ukuthi Jezik maybe we black allegedly?
Mara
you understand? Maybe we are black guy. Maybe he's the one who has a connection.
Because in fact, like there are people that are making money around here at Jozi, but you can't see how is this person getting money.
But this thing like, was said about any out. Remember, Mchela that out here.
Yeah, sure.
Scheme podcast. He said, they call him and then. Azoshaya like out here busy busy uzoshaya ulapho ubize mina ngizoshaya over phambi kwakho and then when uz late so treat these guys are bisexual
so you get paid for usmesh
mina I think is buzana how much do you get paid if work susala by Dubai
but then a lot of these things happen because of Dubai I think you get a trend about a thing about
so what was happening about
I think these people are ritualists, you understand? I think these people are ritualists because of apparently by booking first class tickets you go to Dubai you stay in an expensive hotel the only thing that you have to do ukuthi umuntu akhona akagele plate when udla makaka when you come here
so like a plate in emlonyeni
omunye
umuntu ekwenza kuwo
and then when you eat you understand
while is they making a video
while bakwenza video and stuff or batshela ukuthi iba yinja like weird stuff and just not stuff
weird
and then when you come here to South Africa but approximately usukuphethe boma 75k to 100k.
So why
just for one plate?
Why is Dubai doing to these like these African people? Like what are they gaining if you eating someone's shit?
You know, I think they are
content and views.
Bazangale mentality yokuthi they are superior. You understand? I think
but wait.
And now
then Nina black people and funu kuyisebenzela leyo mali.
Yeah, understand?
Easy thing.
So I feel like they're trying to show us ukuthi we don't want to work for anything, you understand?
True. So
they can do anything that they want to us.
So it's sort of like that content hasn't been like officially exposed on TikTok. It's just going as rumors from
no, and there's a video that trended. There's a video that trended.
Yeah, then it was cut out.
Yeah, there was a video that trended because there was a girl who apparently the girl access to the video we send her to him and exposed what was happening in Dubai. So most of these celebrities, that means these so-called big names, Dubai, what do you think they're doing, guys?
Damn, bro. I'm even starting to think that when people go out of the country, they'll be doing some shit.
You understand? Because of
Dubai, lot of things that they even do.
Especially Dubai is mentioned in a lot of things with sex activities that are not okay. Trafficking.
Yeah, true.
I hear Gucci sometimes the guy he wants to put the thinging inside your ear. You understand? Inside your ear. Yeah, they're doing weird stuff. You understand? Sometimes they want you to be licked by a dog. You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes they want to thinging the dog. So like it's just a lot. You understand? So
when
you know, like anyway, I won't, bro. You know,
no,
I won't, bro.
Okay,
you know, look at what I'm trying to say.
Wait.
You know what's the okay, ring again, yeah.
I'm saying we just smash a dog.
I won't, bro.
You won't.
Yeah.
No, like. Okay, as Pume camera and stuff.
Yeah, we own the
offer you a million.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then they say smash a dog.
You know, money.
Smash a dog.
Yeah.
I will smash a dog for 1 million. I will smash a dog. Yeah, I will smash it in fact. But let me try. Look at what I'm trying to cook, ne? You know these people that are at Dubai, bruh. It's all behavior, bruh. You know what I'm like, ne? To go to Dubai, ne? To take an airport and fly, ne? When a personal, it's very difficult, bruh.
Yeah.
But when those people that are coming to South Africa, it's very easy, ne? So how are these people that are being like like human trafficking, whatever? Like,
from what I heard, when they human traffic,
that means they spend a lot of money, ne?
because people are worth a lot of money, boy.
There's this podcast ngizokusendela ne, but I forgot the name.
Yeah.
Bebakhuluma ukuthi the human trafficking lento le. Do you know ukuthi bayithuna kanjani? Like lento le ukuthi like abantwana bakho baya poster ini on Facebook and stuff, and kuna lento le put ifake location and this and this kanje.
Yeah.
Manje these people kuyofika laba abantu bakhona ba that side, they will come here ne, and then beyodinga umuntu lo babona ukuthi okay bafuna anema ushutha ikasi lavela ukuthi okay kuleli kasi location nani yacaba vele mawungashutha leso shutha isithombe and then ngiyasithatha leso sithombe ngisifake eGoogle sangitshengisa ukuthi siva.
Yeah, I
so,
know that.
Bashaya kanjalo and then they'll go there to the like location nakhona maybe afika there ne baya maybe bazobonakala because yacava vele abelungu vele bathi ngama-tattoo and stuff bayabona ukuthi no man this is a new face like us.
Yeah.
Yabo, and then so bayotshela umuntu oyi-1 ne maybe uGhostboy wena mina ngimtshele ngithi ntanga yazini I'll offer you this amount of cash cela ungidingile lo mntana lo and then uGhostboy uzovaya
but mina
and then
you know,
mina I'll start to research kini ukuthi kuyenzakalani mama kuphuma what time and when ungena
but then
what
it's not
time
only
the time bazothi
traffickers
when hamba like spas and stuff action.
But then it's not only like that, understand? Let me tell you something about trafficking. Trafficking policemen are involved. Your politicians are involved.
On some
your high people, like abantu abaphezulu stizi, you understand? Like people that we look up to, they are involved in trafficking.
Some of them,
especially women trafficking. You understand? Because of I call girls. This is a club. I own a club, okay? I call girls to my club. I drag them. That is intentional.
Yeah.
I come with the intention of dragging them. After dragging them, I take them. Probably, I put them. Maybe I put them in a truck. I take them somewhere else. Ne? Somebody buys those girls from me. You understand my point? Somebody buys those girls, and them buying those girls fake IDs, guys. You understand? Airports. You understand?
Yeah.
Sometimes they're being smuggled in containers.
Yeah, I know the ships. Yeah.
And when you ask yourself, when they get to those ports, like ports now where inspections, why aren't these people being caught? Because of they are working with those people. You understand? In order to succeed in crime, you have to have connections. In order to succeed in life, you have to have connections. Bad or good, connections. Because of these people who are trafficking, like especially kids, ne? Right now, they're trafficking kids mostly. You understand? Yeah. Like rate maybe between the ages of 15 to 20. You understand?
Yeah.
They're taken there for prostitution. Dragged. You don't know. So you are assisted by 20 men. And you're not even in your mind. You understand? You don't understand what is happening.
But also those guys that
you understand?
They're chatting as easy. How do they feel?
They are predators. Yes, that is rape. Maybe they're fantasy rape. You understand? They are predators. Those people, they know what they're doing. They know with this person she's drugged. She cannot control her faculties. She's not okay. You understand? Yeah. But still, because that person is a man, he will do that.
But you know what? I went about rich already.
Yeah,
Like
because
they do dumb shit.
Yeah,
Lento ubona ukuthi lento mfethu wenza kanjani lento mfethu.
No, for you to be rich on it, you need to do the dumbest work.
Sure.
Yeah.
But
Look at the people that are working hard, that are building a fleet or whatever, mining. They're getting like the lowest money you could
those
ever
are
think
the
of.
people who are
But
working
check the people that are making the jewelry, ice, bruh. Like, where do they get that gold from? That gold comes from the people that are even working more extra hard, but then they get it very easy and sell it at a higher price.
But then also another thing that I think that we should consider, guys.
Yeah.
Potential. You understand? Impilo ihamba ngokuthi udetermined kangakanani to get where you are going. You understand? You can't say ukuthi, okay, right now I'm working in a mine. I'm gonna work in the mine forever. You understand?
Yeah, I
build
can't.
connections in the mining, workplace.
Yeah.
You understand? Even if it's illegal connections, do something, guys. Nobody
your best.
gets where they are with a clean slate.
yeah, true.
Yeah, there's something.
Somewhere, we all have something to hide that we don't want coming out. You understand?
Yeah.
Especially your very rich people, they are hiding a lot. Get up. You get my point?
Yeah.
They're hiding a lot.
Especially these mining things, in fact, kuhleli uney'kandali, in fact, amazamazama, people always dying.
Yeah.
There's people
But
who
not
umthola
really.
mfethu aphethe 100k cash la.
Not real in time.
Yeah, those people can get 100k cash, but after 2 days they can finish the 100k cash.
Mara,
Exactly
the
my
problem
point.
you guys, you don't know, guys, lento lena low sebenza mine ne
Yeah.
laba bamba underground yibo ntanga abasafayo most. They
Yeah.
don't have
Yeah,
like
they-
cash. They
yes,
don't
yeah.
have cash. Yabona laba abaphezulu laba wasema-ofisini yibo abanemali, guys.
Mara,
Laba
laba
bayazama,
they can steal
ntanga,
gold, you know.
You can't ntanga.
You can.
I think they
But,
are.
okay, you know, there's something-
searched.
You can, but
I think they're searched.
kuna search ntanga.
Yeah, I think they're
It's too much.
searched.
bro.
Because they even do body searches, I think, where you strip
Ntanga,
and they check
don't
you.
forget ukuthi kunama x-ray ukuthi mawungama kanje bayabona yonke into and
You
stuff.
understand?
Mara, you know there's connection ukuthi uphume nayo lo gold. Iphuma kanjani?
Yeah, maybe.
No, Pela,
maybe
you know,
also
through
sebenza
the
nabo-
securities and stuff,
Yeah.
with the securities and stuff.
There's connection.
Yeah, because remember, even those people when they get a lot of money, bruh, it's difficult for them to just take all the money and work with it on the road. When you know that the maximum amount you can carry on the road is 50k, like the maximum amount. So imagine you going to deposit on a bank like 200k, and the bank will start asking you questions
That's
like,
gonna
where did you get the
So
money?
many
Where did you get the what?
size.
How did you?
Uses
You
AI
know,
to
yes,
check.
bruh. Like that's a problem. Even that you have though your 200k, your money is going to be cut with their percentages or revenue. Whatever,
And
I don't
also,
know what
I
they
feel
say.
like I want to that we need to like dwell on, guys. What is wrong with the AI then? Because of apparently there's this guy, the guy low or AI.
Yeah.
What's his name? That
Oh,
guy?
Elon Musk.
Elon Musk, yeah, Elon Musk.
So apparently he made a woman AI robot, ne?
Yeah.
Like that robot performs everything, even sexual activities.
Mara, don't you think
Home,
the country,
everything.
the world will
Everything,
come to
bro.
an end?
Everything.
So
he
ima-
even now has a dog that's a robot.
Imagine sleeping with a robot, bruh.
Ah, ntanga,
Yeah, but
Ntanga, it's
Mara,
yeah, but
uchile,
ntanga,
ukhathali,
it's-
man.
yes, Ntwana, but
also you ntanga.
remember,
Mara, wona ngeke uyithenge le robot.
ngeke.
No XTI, no HIV.
I don't care.
No whining.
Ushaka-
Maye boru vele umcime.
so yeah, so a robot doesn't have STI. That's an advantage. So
Mina would buy one.
would you smash it?
Mina I would.
A robot.
Would you smash it?
Yeah.
Is a
So
sex addict.
so
I think low key.
Yeah.
Low key. I would
Yeah.
buy a man robot.
Yeah.
so okay, maybe for
Would you
ladies,
let it,
it might
smash?
work, bruh.
Yeah, that's
Imagine,
my
bruh,
husband.
you
mostly.
smashing
I'm
a
getting
robot and the
robots
robot
in my
is
bed.
not.
Let me explain this way. The robot doesn't have STI. The robots are alimfeleli. The robots are limvisukhlumu.
Malibhoda,
But-
uyalicima.
But does it secrete the fluid to make you when you are done with the?
No,
Mara, cheka. Uzobusha insimbi phela.
Yes.
Aye, baba. Obviously,
Bruh,
there are some
like-
things like laba bayifake khona ukuthi I can.
Yeah.
This one is perfected to have sex with someone.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's just one thing about the Elon Musk that you're saying. I know, ne, is like that guy, ne, the robots, ne, they can they are clever more than us. That's why when it comes to intelligence,
Yeah,
they're saying
because it's AI.
the intelligence is
Nah,
highly
I don't
recommended,
believe that.
especially the you know what.
But those things were created by
Man.
You're created by you.
Yeah.
How can you
Understand?
create something and it becomes clever than you?
It's us who's feeding it the information.
The information.
Do you know a robot can learn something, ne? if we put it like it stays here 24/7 and it's always being fed the information from the outside, it could easily predict that when it's happening like this, something like this is going to come.
It's smarter than me.
Yeah,
It maybe no, I don't because
what you are trying to say is you created it. Then how is it going to be smarter than you, the creator?
it can't be.
No, but then we also have to remember, guys, already a robot, when you program it, it's already programmed with information that is already there in this world. You understand? You already program it to go to now. Who's the parent? Oh, Ramaphosa.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the president.
To say who's the president of Africa.
Ramaphosa is no, guys.
Yeah.
Okay,
I know that the American president is Donald Trump.
Yeah.
Yes.
Isn't it Trump? Yeah.
No, bruh, please concentrate, bruh.
You understand?
Yeah.
Everything is already programmed with like information that is in the world already. You understand?
Oh, the World Health
And
Order.
when it's like you don't know all the information in the world. Even if when you programmed it, you don't know all the information in the world.
Because
you
we're
understand?
distracted as people.
You understand?
Yeah.
One thing about us as people, we are easily distracted by shiny things. That's why they say our phones are our prison. You understand? Right now, Konumtwana, who is in a class, utishu yakhuluma. We're not focused on that. She's busy on the phone.
Yeah.
She's texting him gun. After school is lana siyobamba makota. After makota, siyamba siyobona lo mfana lo ya. You understand? I'm telling you because of I know what I'm saying. I've been in a class with girls, bro. We don't care. Utishu yafundisa wena la. Funny selfies. You understand?
Yeah.
Technology has claimed like a lot of
Actual technology
things.
is going to like run the country.
That's the problem. That's the problem.
At this point. But then I don't think we should let technology run the country because guys,
We can't
technology
control
doesn't
it,
have
you know.
feelings.
Even us,
don't
we
ever
can't
say.
even work. If
You don't ever say as you know.
Have you watched those movies Lawa when robots abantu?
Yeah,
And now they're killing the people.
Yeah.
Those movies do predict something.
Exactly. Like the Simpsons, right?
It was
The
written in
Simpsons.
2002, 2001. The person who watched it in 2004 couldn't understand what's going on. Because you were once told that there would be an electric car. You couldn't understand it. No, what is an electric car? But now it's
Manje
now.
sikhona.
You
Yeah.
understand?
Yeah.
Vele amarobot entanga.
Every day,
They do
especially these cartoons, Simpsons,
Mm.
they always predict what's
thought
happening.
it's the Simpsons.
It's the what?
The
Yeah.
Simpsons. The
Simpsons.
Simpsons.
Something I
Simpsons.
mean.
The Simpsons.
Yeah, they always predict what's right, bro.
The
It's just
Simpsons.
yeah.
Sa into lena guys sometimes
think-
i-TV ne yanitshengisa izinto ezoyenzakala and thina you be like ne angeke lokho.
It's just TV.
It's just TV. Now my robot likhona.
Electric cars.
Now
Exactly.
electric car
That's the
likhona.
problem.
Exactly. An electric dog. Oh, guys, like.
But nowadays, are you aware of that people are not watching DSTV? Most of the people are now watching YouTube compared to DSTV.
Yeah.
Like, to be honest.
Do you know
so,
why?
Why, in fact?
Now manje ama-TV anjani? The now smart TVs. Awusafani nakudala ukuthi it's only DSTV Ariel.
I think it's also because, guys, honestly, to be honest, like to say something, ne?
Into nami
Guys,
engiyibonayo, and futhi
DSTV
that's
is
why-
now boring. It repeats
that's why
the
so
same
many
movies.
kune Netflix ikhipha kayingaki ama-movie phakathi. Wena ku-DSTV uzoyibheka kusasa ikhona futhi ine-repeat.
Sikhule kule generations, kulozalo. La namhlanje so more than 20 years. Kata IPL yini?
I-generations.
Yes, in
Guys,
fact.
who did you call
IPL
them
yini?
generations?
Every day
I
ngo
think
8,
generations
half
before
8.
Bongzalo.
Very it was there, in fact. So like
ayisile yakudala musi generation.
But
so I think even each generation
it's scandal,
each generation I think is never going to end because
Yo,
Yeah.
Mvango.
but bheka ntwana
Sokhona lapho
generation
uThomiyama.
ayisoze yaphila because ama generation azohlele tshintsha.
And bakhona lapho
So even the
uThomiyama
person-
uMvango.
KK.
No, lo wayeyisangoma. Loyana wayenginikeza ama nightmares. Yezwa?
Oh, what was it? Mlimisi.
Yo, that guy.
Liana. Hey, the movies from kudala mfethu ntanga.
because yabona also YouTube izogcina ingasabhadali that much because
Sure.
of wonke umuntu uzobe sakayenza YouTube, but Yeah, ourselves.
No,
Do you think there's gonna be an application?
It's
as
growing because of
a-
technology.
YouTube,
I think there are a lot of YouTubers
So, yeah.
because we are also YouTubers, guys. You should think about it. There are a lot of YouTubers.
But
out
the
there.
problem-
But then what sets us
But nowadays,
different?
when you don't have a smart TV at home, you are too out of place.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah.
You know,
Especially,
in the
you know,
States,
what's going on Netflix today? When I don't.
You know, in Netflix,
I don't know.
you can find TV. I remember it was 2014 back then or 2015. But we see in my TV on the PlayStation. You watch it.
Yeah, especially PlayStation
Back
for Mama
then.
Jane, Sukali PS.
Exactly.
True.
But
But
now,
now-
it's just a normal.
Guys, Netflix is amazing. Actually, I won't lie to you.
Yeah.
Now, yo.
Amara, Netflix, I imagine. It's still there on the game.
Nah, can make a TV. We never thought.
Ah,
it was
nigga,
now.
done.
Unless there's
And
maybe
it's
a
Isa
show.
later blue lights leo count to 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 my lord.
And unless if maybe DS, mine are my channel, in fact.
Yeah.
Mara, like, guys,
In
in
Ghana, it's now
DSTV.
expensive.
And even though it's expensive, it's just a repeat of everything.
Yeah,
Guys.
true.
You can't watch the same shit 1 week yonke.
not even
But
one
maybe
my
week.
perfect wedding.
Since uzalile ntanga namanje sayibheka lento leyisakhona.
Njengesharkboy neLava Girl ne. Sharkboy and Lava Girl, yes? Yo. Ne-Spider-Man. Yo. Ay.
Uvava mfethu. So mfethu, like I see mfethu there is this thing mfethu since we isikole sesivale eyama club mfethu what's up mfethu. So do you think ukuthi indaba le mfethu ukuthi kungena abantwana abancane emaclubini mfethu
Underage, yeah.
underage?
I think that these club owners actually know ukuthi kungena abantwana abancane emaklabhini ne, and they are making money off it because they know that they are predators, people who wanna buy young children alcohol in order so that they can smash.
Yeah.
Those are predators. Mina, okay, let me not say anything to incriminate myself here, but I think last year was my first time clubbing, you understand? And we would club at this club. I'm not sure if I want to name it. I'm not gonna name it. I'm not gonna name it. Bognama 16-year-olds, 14-year-olds, you understand? That's when Wakalo Pumitori Zama, being smashed in the bathroom. Unconscious, she passed out.
Yeah, that's why. Why would you also
train, you understand?
Why would you smash a girl otagi?
But why would you smash a girl who's on blackout?
But also, Napona, what is a 14-year-old doing at a club? What is a 14-year-old doing at a club? 14-year-olds should be playing.
Mina, angazi ngiyenze.
Mara, you will do it in future.
In future.
I feel like you have done it. That's
no,
why.
when I'm fit,
That
please
is a
stay
very-
there. When
let me
you have
tell
done
you
it, please
something,
don't
that is
corrupt us. In
rape.
fit, please,
That is
please, in
rape.
fit.
That is a sexual
Okay,
assault.
sure.
No,
It's
but
in-
but bigger, ne?
One thing that I'm gonna tell girls, ne? If you ever go to a club, ne? And you are drunk, you don't recall who you are, ne? And you go with a gent and he sleeps with you, that is rape. That is rape because of you could have just let that person go wherever. You understand? You can't take a person who is blacked out to your house. Your menzan.
Okay, what if Uzenami?
Now she's drunk. Take her home. Limit how she drinks. You understand?
That's why she's never crime.
That's why we have a high rape statistic because of. And there's this girl who must have died who was nina lonke la nina amavorosa mancane ngeke nginizwe.
Yeah.
Oh, so the girls are starting to see.
And
yibo baqalayo. But then now uyambona ukuthi lo muntu usekakhulunyiswa utshwala manje. Usekakhulunyiswa utshwala. Mntazanyaka uvela uthi nonke la namavorosa amancane ngeke nginizwe. Mina nibuza ukuthi uvela ufuna ukwazwelana manje.
So the gents, so if the girl is getting drunk, ne, the gents will be like checking, is he still there? Like that other type of guys,
It's a
ne?
strategy,
It's a strategy. Some guys can't approach girls sober like 9-9, but when they see that she's getting drunk, now they start shifting. But now they, sebeboninya.
Mara, ukushela kwaseklabhini akufani nokushela kwala estrategy.
No, it's too different.
Because of nitagiwe mosina too. And imagine,
and the lifestyle yakhona ugirl phela nawe yazi ukuthi mawuhlezi niletha amabhodlela. Nawe yahalela udaye.
But
then let me tell you something, guys. Alcohol makes people sexually
You know, Baba, I can't buy you alcohol.
That's why I'm saying
That
that. That's why I'm telling you that you have the mentality of a
This guy is craving for me. No,
I'm telling you.
like in fact, there is this thing. There is this thing that is trending in my club. You know, okay, you take the girl, you go with her, ne? You agree, you're going to Azizi, ne?
Yeah.
So you get on that same night, Aziz, fresh everything, no rape, no what. Then when you wake up in the morning, the girl is like 35,000.
5K.
Yes, if you don't give me 5K, nyambe police.
And that's in the money they do that. You know.
So fetch, why do you think they do that?
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Mina, from my I can't defend girls like that because of there are girls who are actually being raped. Do you understand? And if I want to say to girls who are actually being raped, you guys should call the rape line, because if you feel like the police, they're not doing enough to help you, the rape line actually does help a lot of girls who have been raped, even boys who have been sodomized, molested. There's a helpline, a rape line.
boys name.
Yeah, especially the boys can be raped.
Yeah,
in fact,
I know,
you can. But the question is, if you are a boy and you are being raped, but the question is, will you be enjoying? In fact,
the helpline, you can't enjoy.
You don't. Yes. So when I
understand
for Ghost Boy, but when
What can you enjoy?
For Ghost Boy will be enjoying.
for Ghost Boy will be enjoying because
you understand.
Aziz.
You
yeah.
can join the helpline. You can call the helpline, or you can go to the Teddy Bear Clinic. They actually help rape victims who have trauma. So I suggest you do that. And just remember, I love you guys. Stay safe. Report rape. Back to the girls. So the girls, guys, who are Bachelor 5,000, those ones again, they're prostitutes. That's just it. You understand? Baddies. To maintain the lifestyle, guys, and you're a baddie, you must think, now,
Strategy.
Baba, you understand? But one thing that I'm gonna tell you about these baddies, guys, in South Africa we don't have baddies. I don't know if I can say this.
Wait.
In South Africa we do not have baddies. Uyingane engafundiswanga kahle hambilala namadoda.
You know what's
You understand? Because of now people see uWandindlovu. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I used to look up to you, Uwandindlovu. Guys, for me, Wandindlovu is.
Who's that? Please say she.
I'm this girl, OnlyFans girl. Mina, I support these girls because of they did their own shit. They weren't afraid of what people are saying.
No, man, it's a
you understand?
hustle,
It's a hustle. They went on television. They went on screens.
Where would you say?
They
I saw
opened
on Mark G podcast and chill.
You
Yeah.
understand?
She went there and she took lentos. She put it in her mouth and teach the monkey with it.
You understand? You understand?
Yeah.
Like Ben's OnlyFans. You understand?
No, guys, please
You know
make
it's
me
hard.
understand. Yes, I'm lost. Yes, I'm lost.
Pamwe screen.
So
is hard.
what happened? What happened?
Like they just sleep on the bed, buy a dildo. They make a lot of money.
Oh,
You
through
understand? Yeah.
that
They
item.
use something that is called tokens. You know, that thing makes a lot of money, bro. I'm not lying to you. It makes a lot of money. I support girls who do that because it's better than sleeping with different chains. You can go on the screen. You Aziz yourself. You make money. You spoil yourself. You live the lifestyle that you want to live. I love Wandindlovu. I love Cindy Makatini. I love Sian Buji. I love Olimfeka.
For stealing whatever.
Bro, I'm telling you, because of those girls, they're the girls that are teaching us. I'm not saying it's wrong. I'm not saying it's right. But I'm saying they didn't. You understand? They didn't let life put them down. If you feel like life is putting you down, do something. You understand? Don't care what people are saying about you. At the end of the day, you're the one who's sleeping hungry. You're the one who's sleeping. You don't have a place to sleep. You understand? Many people wish you could school, but people who finish school, guys, let's tell the truth. What are they doing?
Yeah, that's the thing I showed Tando.
You understand? Oh,
I saw that video of Utando.
Yeah,
I was just saying.
And there are some people who are on this thing. You're going to metric. And I'm so happy, you understand? Because of if I get pressure, even the children who are still in school, I understand? Having a metric.
Well, there's no use.
But having, wait, let me tell you something. Having a metric, it's special because you worked hard for that thing, and you got the results. But just because other children don't have metric doesn't mean they will not succeed. That's where the problem starts.
It's like this. Having big and
if you open Cindy Makatini's bank balance right now and you open bank balance yomuntu onemetric, yo,
two different things.
I'm telling you,
it's different.
But let me say something.
Fundile, you went to school 12 whole years. Why university? Why a degree in whatever? You are working a basic
no, like having metric results without connection. It's like having a stove and nucleus with no electricity.
Exactly.
What are you going to cook?
Exactly.
Yeah, so you should have the nucleus.
Connections are needed everywhere.
And you know,
even to God, you need a connection.
Say, yeah, nepotism. Guys, if I could have a company, if I could have a company, I would use nepotism because I would hire only my family members. Make sure it's right.
Yeah, but that's the thing.
That's nepotism. You understand?
You can't save other people who are saving.
You understand? Yeah. So that's what they're doing, and we can't blame people. When they were making connections, you understand? That's why I always tell people, hey, rich kids, what. Guys,
but I know in sense we don't get money in good.
And that's the thing. Is the end of the day, it's different from a family. That's what makes you different from a family. If a family is not rich, then you start your own way.
Mina, I remember there was a time when I'm telling you, Mina, if I would get the chance to go on my Body Works for me, guys. Let me hug you now while I'm not a celebrity.
Guys, please. You know.
Mina, I would do OnlyFans, bro. If I had like the support of someone like Wandin Dovu.
You know what? That thing destroys Abantwana beach.
No, but
on the porn side.
What is it?
But how can I check my child to say?
That's why we know those things where your parent can see Amasechi's work.
But you know there's a way that.
No, you're just being a neglected, like a neglective parent. You understand? So you're not parenting your child right. Let me tell you something. If Mina, I think I have like a nice fan base on Facebook. You understand? Yeah. If I could be like, now I'm doing OnlyFans. Now I'm posing my ass. Now I'm shooting. Guys.
Within 4 weeks,
Guys, within 2 weeks, not even 4, 2 weeks.
But look.
But in fair to pay before you look, let's talk. Is there someone or actor inyama or broke? Elimazi. There's no one who's broke or acting yama. Exactly. All of the people that open and you see the faces in fact. Let
me say something. You know those people in fact that thing affects her in the long run.
Yeah.
It can be nice now.
Because of muscle full sevens.
No, not muscle full sevens. Let's say that some man you can't do it. Maybe you have rich food and you have one. How do you expect someone to copy a school if they know what your mother was a star?
Let me tell you something. You see, let me tell you something. You see those kids. When I'm rich and I have a 10-room house and my child comes and asks me, Mama, what were you doing on OnlyFans? I will tell you. For you to have this iPhone that you have today, for you to go to this expensive school that you go to today, for you to come to that is my effort.
Marona, how do you feel?
And then, those are my efforts.
Yeah, but in fact, that thing, in fact.
If Umtanami doesn't want to be judged like me, go to school. I need to say I'm a connection, Minamanj. I've made those connections by opening Inyama for you to have a better future. So, masengi rich mntanami wena ngibona ngazothi ngiyakunyanyisa ngoba mina ngiyenze kanjani imali yami ngizokufaka esikoleni sabantwana aba rich uze ngiplug nama connection uzenzele something that is different from me, you understand, so that you can be something that I couldn't be, you understand. I got where I am by not using the right way, but I did that for you, for your future, so that you can have the right life. Some of these girls, they're doing this for their families, guys. You understand? That's what we should always keep in mind. But have you seen this girl who launched one in Egibo, we are Kile. Like she built her parents a home. Like Guys, come on.
Mantombazane besicela lisinikeze inyama, especially right now izikolo ziyavalwa. We want meat, we are hungry. Sicelani inyama, libuye layo lisinikezeni as emergency. You need to tell every lady that this nyama is for free. Sicelani inyama. Mfethu we need inyama iyafunakala. No, we can't pay inyama. No. There's akulaba bethengisa ama 450 la ama 4550. If inyama ye 450 900 ilani guys. But mantombazane besicela inyama. So that thing
mantombazane ngicela ningabaphi inyama.
No, but you know that thing when you know how to use it.
Ngicela ningabaphi inyama. Ngicela ukuthi umfana mayekubiza ukuthi mayekubiza kubanda hlala ekini.
You know what amantombazane ayenzela?
Yeah, if you see untombazane, if you meet if you meet with a lady ne, and she comes to your house and you see the lady ne, the first thing you do after a hug, then she sits on the bed, just know that she's horny, she wants it.
She doesn't want it.
She wants it. That's the first thing. Why is she sitting in the bed? Then the second thing after she sits down ne, if you see her not talking too much, just know she's not into talking. She is in the mood of inyama.
No! What if she's an introvert and she just wants...
Azoba introvert
introvert. Asukele ebuyela engafuni ukuthi yesinike inyama.
Yebo.
Angimizanga usuke kubo. Uyakokoda emnyango ngiyavula. Mfethu ngicela ungena sure. Azophumela empedeni. Azoba introvert empedeni.
Okay. Then the third thing, to all the gents that are watching this, if you see a girl coming to you wearing a mini skirt, just know ukuthi ufuna inyama.
What if yashisa edakana mabuko?
No, mfethu mini skirt.
Let me give the advice to the girlies.
Motivating you.
Let me give the advice to the girlies. If you know that this guy has a chant, and you know that he's always this guy has a chant. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Let me start afresh. Ladies, if you know that this chant has a maid, guys, yekelani ukuhambe ebantwini abanama girlfriend because of wena uzofika kushaya inyama, but regardless after that he's going to post his girl because he loves his girl. You understand? That's the first one.
Oh wait, man. Speaking of indaba le mfethu, what's up with umami sweetness mfethu?
Who is Mami Sweetness?
Umami sweetness waboXhosa sesiyakuthathela ulethu. What's up mfethu?
No.
Yeah, like mfethu
No. Apparently these people, they know each other from then. But I'm not worried because of when I spoke to Ulet, he was like, no, he would never like. Let me not say. I'm not quoting him. I can like that. You understand? They just friends.
But you can ufuna umuntu wakho ndoda.
But then no, even if angamfuna chama, it doesn't mean uzomthola. You understand?
What if umtholile kudala?
Mayamtholile.
Mara okay, yeah. Speaking of this topic, is it right of ukuthi abafazi badlelana amadoda? Thina ndla ezamajensi siyadlelana abafazi.
Yeah.
So abogeli labo bakhona uthi edlelo like I know but you ngeli ngihambe ngiyokudlela.
Yeah, it's possible. Girls do that, you understand? But girls that actually do that, tell us something, they don't have self-value. Amantombazana athatha light. Yeke ukuthi uyazi ukuthi umuntu unentombi. Yeke ukuthi uyazi ukuthi umuntu unentombi ne, and then ngoba uyazi ukuthi lo muntu lo unentombi, uhambe wena uyolala naye. That is actually, you don't respect yourself.
I think they'll be proving a point. Okay.
You are proving a point. But then better a chant is a chant. Understand? A chant, if he doesn't think with his mind, he thinks with his ding dong.
Okay, Pegani. Okay.
But it's going to.
Okay, Pega. What I wanna ask, yiphi intombazane elisele bekuchaza, like just name one random. Let's say one random.
A girl.
Yeah, okay, lisele.
South Africa.
Yeah, South Africa, Loba States. Let's say Usima ke. Okay, let's just say Usima ne. Let's just say Usima ne. If when ama ungahamba uyedlela Usima indoda, don't you think ukuthi wena yabuzibona blind?
Obviously.
That's what I'm trying to cook. Uyabuzibona blind ne. That's what I'm trying to cook. Even ukuthi when they boma bedlela uvava indoda ne, bazibona bona njani? Be blind kulova.
This thing is
but then no. Yazi ukuthi mina mngani kufuneka ukuthi mawungathi ufuna ukuba blind kunami ne, uzazi nokuthi without a filter I'll see you ghost. Yeah, understand? Funeka ukuthi mawusitshela ukuthi blind
Can I have a glass of
blind
water?
even face to face. Ungabi blind kuphela efonini. You get my point?
Asikhulumeni ngama-catfishing.
In fact, this is going personal now.
No, it's not personal. That's what I like to say. Actually, that's what I like to say. But I would like to state ukuthi mina Ubani, what did you say?
Mami sweetness.
I do not have a problem with her posting my boyfriend at best of the best because of whatever bayihlanganisayo together.
Oh, the caption was best of the best.
But I just want to say to my boyfriend, whatever that he wants to hlanganisa with her, izomfaka esibhedlela.
Hayibo kanjani?
Wow.
Yeah?
Wow.
Guys, mutsa makunda ngishiphileyo.
My sister wants to kill now.
Guys,
my sister wants to chop. My sister wants to chop.
know.
But you know, in fact, pega this thing. Cause boy, please, in fact, ungavula amehlo ngemva. In fact, we want to kill. In fact, this thing, in fact, to lay, in fact, we are my relationships. Ne, sometimes, in fact, iyahlupa, in fact, iyahlupa, in fact. You can't have one.
Look, let me say something. I've been wanting to say this. You guys know, as I'm okay, you have to understand this. If I give you nicely, Aziz, and there are some cases I'm not, they will come back, and you have to normalize that. You say, okay,
I don't normalize shit. Now we are cousin.
Okay.
That's why, you know what? Let me tell you something. Ne? Mina, once I date a guy and I see that guy is busy, like. He's too much. He's entertaining a lot of girls. He's doing all that. Ne? One thing about me, I like toys. And once my toys, I start sharing my toys. I don't want my toys anymore. I like my toys mine. Until I use them and they get old and I throw them away. And I get the new toys. If I feel like you want to be if I have the best toys, there's always a better version of that toy. Don't make me throw you out for something better. And if I want something better, I will have something better because I am me. Even if I took those toys from someone else, I am saying, do you understand what I'm saying? I will throw those toys out because vele mina, I get bored. You understand?
Nowadays, in
and I will upgrade to a better toy. And when I get that better toy, you never even existed.
Do you know what she's trying to say? She's trying to say that if you have a small thing, the toy is bigger. You won't even satisfy it because the toy is now. Nowadays, but faith, my chance is hard to. It's hard to satisfy a girl because sebela matoy abendlini.
Yeah, they've got a lot of things.
A toy in fact. Ngapha kule toy in fact. So imagine obvious.
But then you guys have this mentality of
is it a rapper or a wooden toy?
Have sex, you understand?
Wooden.
Is it rapper or wooden?
Wooden.
No, peli wooden toy and uyafaka i-plastic.
So now into a bender. So many
Should be strong. Very strong. No, even if when you are tired of putting that thing yourself, the person the wood is wooden. Which cobra?
But then you know.
There's a cobra.
But then you know, personally, yabona njengoba sibhizi kule ndaba of satisfying girls, ne?
Yeah.
Guys, girls are easily satisfied.
No, fit.
One gent that does weird things to you mustn't valelene kamereni. That's all a girl needs. A freaky gent, a caring gent, a gent that listens, a gent that loves. No. One thing about toxic gents, I don't like toxic gents. I don't. I like, you guys can keep the thugs. I like mine cuddling and soft. Yes. Why are you saying
okay, fair to me, there's a story I want to tell you guys.
Yes.
Now, I was raped when I was 15 years by a 28-year person, but I didn't go to the police and told them what happened because it was nice.
Also, you molested or you were raped by a girl?
I was raped by a girl. she took
it was a
yes in fact she took up
She gave me experience.
she gave me experience yes in fact. And I enjoyed but I was raped in fact so I think I need to report that
Yes, you must go and open.
but there is this thing that I want to say in fact ne? I stayed for 900 days with an STI in fact. So yesterday, in fact, when I was going to the clinic, I was talking to that guy. He was like, some of the people nowadays, they always separate with their partners just because they are HIV positive. So, like, let's say you are in a relationship with your guy, then you find out that your guy is unfit. What's the point of ukuthi umshiye other than ukuthi uniqhubeke uthatha ama PrEP? Because you know abanye abantu abathanda amaphilisi. Like we're not all the same. Look at what I'm trying to cook with it. Ushiye umuntu wakho, you know that you love your person, but at the end of the day you live. Hey, yabo is for us some chance. For what in fact when you know you can keep on taking a man?
I'm PrEP.
But
let me tell you something.
Okay, when ungajola lo muntu ochisayo.
Mina.
So what?
Ukwazi uyachisa. I'm asking you ukwazi ukuthi uyachisa and then when mawulele la then iplastic liyadubuka.
You now have to take PrEP.
Now you know ukuthi ala sokuchila. Would you? No, it's a random. You won't even a normal person won't in fact. Even you in fact.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
If I date a guy and I find out that he's HIV positive. Probably we haven't had. You understand? If I love him, now I would stay with him, you know? Because of, guys, some people are born with this thing. You understand?
Yeah.
They didn't go out looking for it. They're born with it. You understand? So now I would be there for my gender. I would use the condom. I will take PrEP. I would protect myself in all the ways possible.
But guys,
while loving my chance.
Nowadays HIV is treatable. Listen, Fed. Do you know a kidney failure, Fed? Do you know a heart problem, Fed? Do you know a stroke, Fed? Those things you can't even do anything. Because they are worse than HIV and AIDS. So what I'm trying to say is, chance if you find your girl or your honey is sick, don't leave it. Just take the pills.
But Mina, you know what I think?
Yeah.
Mina, I think that we are at a point in life where we have normalized HIV to a point that even if we find out that someone has it, you understand? Guys, HIV is dangerous. You understand? People should learn to condomize. If you know that you have a partner who has a problem with keeping his thing inside his pants,
you need to condomize.
If you know that you have a partner who likes girls, who has an eye for girls, protect yourself. Take PrEP. You understand? If you feel like your partner is unfaithful, protect yourself. Take PrEP. Use a condom. You understand? Mina, I use PrEP because of I don't trust my gent, I think. Please stop. Let's stop. No, I'm fed. So kidding. Okay. I don't use PrEP. Okay. Let's continue. Fed. I think there's this thing, Fed, that's happening, Fed. This trending video that we also Fed, of this guy. What was his name? The podcaster was in fact, and under my G's, in fact, the guy came and made flames, in fact.
Mara check. Yeah. Make Gene, megafuna my numbers.
No, was it make G who planned this? Was it?
Because you can't, let's say, we work together, and
but isn't the producer unfair to set up?
We talk something bad about the ghost boy, and then when now you see what's on, laba something in a wrong, and then you interview when ghost boy, it's easy
without their knowledge.
Yeah, good tina asgwaz. When masithi sizikanje how sibona umuntu besikhuluma ngaye yabo so awubona ukuthi he's bringing numbers.
Yeah, it's a setup. I think so, it's
because people very I'm sure also people begafuna ukuthi like benefit vele because what was this Tache said it's wrong.
The guy but
he was so chilled in fact.
And also
I think the guy
abantu I think uTachi they just hate ukuthi yapapa nje.
no mara na
like indlela okhuluma ngayo you know that guy is a pro ku English but indlela okhuluma like you understand what I'm saying like he's always fast like you know that mentality to ngaba fast you know yonke into mfethu
but then wait guys
ezinye izinto ne you have to talk ezinye izinto angeke khona ukukhuluma because ngeke ngithi wena you downgraded so ufana ukuthi aniphela kunalento le ukuthi let's say wena umngani wami and then ungitshela ukuthi antwana ka awuke lakho mubi intwana yabo mina maye ngizofila kanjani yabo wena awunayo leyo right mayisengenzani mina maye mina sengiyamhlukana naye because of wena yabona ukuthi people bafuna ukuthi like
people have a certain standard and they basitshela ukuthi ugeli imele abe so guys abogeli sihlukile sonke we are different you understand that's what I'm saying and also yazi ukuthi there's this video I'm not sure if you saw it Steezy le yellow girl lo oshaya umntwana etoilet Njunju Hectorson it was trending the bullying issue guys mina what I'm going to say mina I stand by Njunju Hectorson you understand because that girl has a lot of videos yena okay lo shawa uNjunju she has a lot of videos ashaya abanye abantwana she was the bully you understand but now ngoba sokushaywe yena she's being bullied how you understand you cannot involve umuntu abazali babantu when we're having an argument so ufaka abazali bami you understand because of when ujayela ukuthi ushaya abanye abantwana wenza ama video but mina mase ngikushaya ngenza video now I'm the bully but I'm doing exactly what you are doing. You understand?
So
uhlangane nontanga wakhe you understand uhlangane nentanga and I think that is good I think vele abantu mele behlangane nentanga zabo
it is good
umuntu makahlangane nentanga that girl ne ngihamba kuthandana yakhe
ihlalisa iskora vele iskora man so Njunju manje say iskora esikhulu sakhona
so manje uNjunju she saw anye ukuthi mina I stand by uNjunju mina you swear like if you face to face like this and you're looking at me and you swear me with my mother I don't care if you maybe do it on the phone I mean if you look at me like this and you say and yo mina ngizokungomba mina
shout out to Njunju iskora semsotro iskora
and uzubona le mntana lana ne now mase bemshaya uthi I have asthma but at the time ashaya laba abanye abantwana bekangena asthma musi
wabamshaya wazoba le asthma so sikhuluma even breathe Njunju iskora so Njunju the MC ama Hectorson ne those ones
lo ama Hectorson mina I stand by you Shemdol
I feel like I want to know bra bamshaya wazwashaya asthma
and then I stand by you and also by this girl lo oshawe uNjunju ne I would like to say to this girl ukuthi injane enjini langa layo uclever wakhe you understand wena nje uthole uclever wakho and now you're busy on social media you're pressing charges and I feel like as she's saying ukuthi she's going to go and press charges this girl ne everybody naye okay I'm shy they should go and press charges against her I don't know it's Noxy something I don't even know her name Noxy something though they can also do that ne? And I saw Usentle standing by this girl Noxy whatever and then I just realized ukuthi Usentle is just taking a side for no reason you understand guys umuntu bekuthiwa ngabazali that is personal now you understand so boku right yena shaya abantwana abanye but mase kushawa yena people are now taking her side and calling uNjunju a bully no if abantu laba bayalingana wontanga from what I've heard me
azathe
unelanga lakhe ntana you understand nedabokela ababhaya bathanda ukuzenza ama ghost you understand bathanda ukuzenza ngathi bona bayashaya na but when it comes to actual fighting they can't even do shit bagcwele la too much
this thing
and one thing about I'm telling you one thing about amantombazana agcwele la when it comes to here ngiyatshela they're the first ones ukuthi bazothi they hide behind abangani baba bayigora you understand I'm telling you one thing about girls who are here if you have a problem with someone mlandi if you have beef with me come where I stay I will show you
so strong
that's it
say squara I'll cut it gospel guys